I would say that love is several things, but it's in its most simplest form. I think is showing those different acts to that you care and that you're actually there for a person. It's going above and beyond, no limits for that person, because you actually care about them and actually want good for them. So yeah.
Love for me is actually just showing up when somebody needs you the most. It's the small things that people do to actually show that they care. I think that's the easiest way to define love without going into what the acts are. But yeah, it's just showing up and being there for that one person that you really care about. Yes. Our relationship is pretty much non-binary. Most persons think that because we're both trans, we can't or we shouldn't be together because I'm gender fluid and Mix is non-binary. Most persons think that because they see me a certain way, I should be dating a cis gay man and not a person of trans experience. And it's a lot of things. I think persons should be allowed to date whoever they want to, or feel the butterflies inside for anybody who they choose to. For a lot of persons, they don't see our relationship as that. But yeah.
Also, and it's so hard too because persons think about like gender roles.
Yeah.
Like what gender roles it fits in. So person might ask like, so who's the woman, who's the man? There isn't no man, there is no woman. And I think for us that's like simple.
Yeah.
Because we don't have like any expectations over each other.
Exactly.
Or anything like that. So
yeah.
It's different. I guess some of the favorite things I love about Anika is the fact that she's caring and she always has my best interest at heart, I think. Although sometimes we're kind of stubborn and kind of better.
Most times.
But yeah, and the sex is really great. So.
Some of the things that I love about Mix is the fact that they're handsome. They're smart. They are caring as well.